Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today is New Year's 2024. I am so excited to share with you another craft room tour. I've been asked to do another tour this year. I did one in January of 2023, and I will link it below in the comments for you all to check out. But there are a couple things that I have done differently in my craft room this year, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it. Okay, as you walk through the door, I have a couple of Disney paintings that I've hung up this year on the wall, and so I am working on putting together a Disney area. I think I may have started this last year, but I'm gonna get a shelf up and put a bunch of my Disney stuff up there so I can view it. This is all sequins stuff for shakers and beads and buttons up here. Okay, and then I have my aprons hanging right here. I have some projects across the top that I have worked on or have put together. Then I have just this large wall of projects that are either that I made or that have been gifted to me. There are a few things in there that have been gifted to me. And then I have basically my large stock of scrapbook paper. So I have it alphabetical. I did that last year. I ran through it. It's alphabetical by company. And then I have some books over here and here that I use for junk journaling. I have little miniatures over here for my grandkids. They like to play with those all the time. And then they have some stuff for crafting as well. So this is to the left-hand side when you walk in. And then I have my large wall of cabinetry with the mirrors on it. That's also from IKEA. This is a Cricut light. I think I had that last year. I have my camera arm that my husband had made for me, and this year he took it out of the old room and put it in here where it's on a little rolly cart, basically, foot. If you don't have one of these plugs, you need one of these plugs. They are fantastic. It makes it really easy while you are crafting, because I have, as you can see, the center table here. It raises and lowers so I can stand or sit. I have a massive amount of lights, and you can never have too much light, and I have 2 windows in this room, which is double what I had before, and I still need additional light. Okay, I'm gonna try not to make you so dizzy. Obviously the big shot there, this is water for stenciling, so you can put the stencil right in there right after you use it and wash it later. I have some old stamps in here of mine. I'm going to be trying to focus on using some of these stamps more often on projects. You get the point, but there's more down here. These are still a bunch of my odds and ends as far as tools. So mixed media mat, jelly plate, explosion board, envelope punch board, a little stamp mat, that kind of thing. I have all of the cabinetry that is here. I will open that up in just a minute, the mirrors. But I have all of this cabinetry on this long wall here that I think I explained last year. This came from Facebook Marketplace. It was kitchen cabinetry that somebody was ripping out, and we painted them and put the drawer pulls on, and my husband ended up making a couple of additional drawers in there. But I wanted this open space down here so that I can also put the chair over there and roll it up to there if I want to be over here instead. I have my sewing machine. I love having the sewing machine out. I have my 12 by 12 layouts that I'm working on. I need to do better job at putting actual pictures in it, so I'm going to be working on that this year. I have a couple of UFO projects, so check out my video, which is Crafty Goals 2024 with the hashtag, And I'm going to be working on, as one of my goals this year, working on UFO projects to finish them up. This is another thing I'm going to be doing. I've started putting more stuff on the walls this year. This is some of my doodlebug stuff, so I want to get more of those frames and put them on this wall. That wall is going to be dedicated to those because it's just happy. So you see the light box here. We all have this mess. If you're a crafter, extra chipboard. That's junk journaling stuff. So I need to go through that and start actually sorting through it. I have my stuff on my wall. Also new this year are some acrylic shelves. So I have a couple here so I can display stuff. I love having those there. I went ahead and put my mixed media stuff up here, reorganized these two shelves. I think these were up last year, but maybe not actually. So that might be new this year as well. I have the glazes over here. I love the colors on the wall. I put all my sprays over there so you can see those as well. It just makes me happy. So I pulled those out of the drawers. So basically I have organization stuff down here, and I still have, of course, my stamps and dies down below. But I love having them right behind me. I have another garbage can here, as well as on the rolly cart, of course. If you don't have one of these rolly carts, you need one of these rolly carts, because I'm trying not to make you so dizzy. Everything at your fingertips that you use all the time. Pens, markers, my scissors, of course, the corner rounders, tapes, wipes, you know, these are the things that we use all the time. Little garbage can, have to have that. So on my desk, of course, I have my cutter that's new from this year, and I am loving that Tim Holtz cutter. The table is another glass mat. I have my computer up there. Let's see, what else? Tape, score tape for albums and things like that. Okay, I'm gonna move over here. Another thing I need to work on. So as I put together little things, I basically put them in this box. That's what I've been doing. And I'm going to be sorting through these so that I can start adding them to the junk journals to get rid of the stuff out of this box and make room for new ones. I did pull my ribbon thing from the other room, my old room, into here. And then I don't think this is new at all this year. Let's see. No, I don't think any of this is new, other than I've added to, imagine that, added to my stash. So from the Dollar Tree, the little 1 1/4 fabric rolls, I'm going to be using those on some junk journals. So I went ahead and got some more of those. And then, beep, 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 buddy. Watch out, honey. Watch out, honey. Puppy's in the way. And then in this closet, I still have my seam binding, pom-pom trim, and some yarns. Acrylic pieces for albums I need to use. Stampin' Up stamps. I have laces in here, flowers that I've separated out into like cools and warms, and then extra stuff for, you know, cards, that kind of thing. Let me scroll down a little bit. You can check out my link in the description box below to last year's, but I think I showed some of this where I went ahead and pulled apart all of my ribbons so that they were color coded, and those are paper ribbons that we've made in the past from scraps of paper. This is another thing that I'm going to be working on with my crafty goals, is ephemera. So working through ephemera, I have added to my Doodle Pop collection. Yes, I have. 6x6 papers Still need to work on trying to figure out more 6x6 projects because I really do love those. And I've decided I'm gonna start really using my graphic 45s. So I've already started that in my more recent projects. So you can check those out on my other videos. So I hope to see you on some of my other videos, and you give me a comment below as to what you have of interest, what organizing tip you have for me. I'd love to hear it. This is all cardstock here, and then I have my Country Craft Creations paper over here. So I have that separated out as well from the others. Photos that I have printed, ready to use, papers from books that I have already separated. Here's the next few odds and end projects that are ready to use that I've pulled out. There's some storage, and I have a very large section of stickers. I went through this last year. Wood elements, wrapping stuff that's down there. This is all paint stuff that's in here. And then I have Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, probably Christmas again, and then basically supplies and more stickers. And then there's old stamps again. So, you know, I have a lot. What can I say? That's what we do. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed my little craft room tour here, and I look forward to seeing you on my channel. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It really helps out my channel, and I am looking to grow my channel this year, and I hope to see you back here soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all, and Happy New Year. Bye.